Hello guys, good morning. Real talk side today. Yeah, di pa ako nasusuklay. Let's talk about different kinds of personalities. I know we are surrounded the different kinds of personalities, the different kinds of people. So I have a lot of friends and they have different kinds of personalities too. Some of my friends is funny. Some of my friends is serious. Some of my friends is like hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. Some of my friends is easily to be mad. Yeah, very moody. And some of my friends is sensitive. Yeah. Some of my friends are smart or like they are acting smarter than you. Like me, I am always acting smart. Some of my friends are they know everything. Yep, like that. But they still my good friends of mine, of course. It doesn't matter the way they act. It doesn't matter what attitude they have. Because I respect them. Kahit ganun sila, hindi nangangahulugan na they are my bad friends. They are not a good friend. Hindi nangangahulugan that they are not my friend. They are still my friend. So, ganun lang talaga tayo. We need to respect each other. You need to respect their privacy. So, dapat if you are a friends of them, if you have friends like them, you know the individual personalities para alam nyo kung saan kayo mag-adjust. And yun nga, as a friend, dahil kilala mo siya, sumuunawaan mo siya. You see? Maunawaan mo siya kung bakit ganun siya. You know? So,